that not a team? Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. So you know your girl Brittany is here, and today we come with another slay. So if you want to see how I get this look, all you gotta do is just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down in that comment section. Let your girl know what you think about this look, okay? We're gonna start off by taking the festival palette, and we're gonna take that red shade and we're gonna use that as our transition shade, okay? Finish applying that shade, you want to take this Harren 2 palette, Juvia's Place, and you're gonna take this shade right here to just deepen the crease. Then we're gonna go in with the brown to deepen up the crease even more. I'm gonna use the same brush. I think the edge is a little bit too bold, so I'm gonna use this shade right here to just blend it out a bit. Take my Revolution concealer in C10 to cut the crease. To cut it evenly, you just want to do like this and look up, and that's where you should cut the crease. Cutting the crease, you want to blend out the concealer. When you finish cutting the crease, we're gonna apply our lip color. I'm gonna come from the NYX Professional Makeup Clear Palette. So we're only gonna put the glitter at the end. No, I look nice. That's your Akim. Now me I see myself. Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. So you know your girl Brittany is here, and today I'm about, you my baby, I love you now. I love you here. I love you, puppy.